milk powder 1 cup, water 2 tablespoons, sugar 1 cup and ghee 1 tablespoon. So let's begin. So first we will put the kaju in the mixer. We will do in 2 lots, 2 or 3 lots. If we grind it too much, then it will become a paste that we don't want. We want a powder. So now let us see. So now we will sieve it. So now this is the leftover part. We will grind this also with our second lot. Similarly, we will do for our third lot. So now this is also the leftover particle. We will also grind this with our third lot. So now we will mix our milk powder and we will mix it. I am making the exact halwai recipe and this is the easiest recipe. We will mix it evenly. So now as you can see, our milk powder has been mixed. So now we will make the chashni. We can make any type of chashni, 1 tar, 2 tar. So first we will put our sugar. Then our water. So now we will make the chashni. So I feel that the water is a bit less, so I will add a little bit of water. So now I have put in 1 teaspoon because the sugar also releases water. So until these types of bubble come over the our karahi, till then we will not stop. You can also use an iron karahi or some other karahi. sugar is dissolving and the bubbles are coming. So as you can see, our chashni is ready. We have to make a bit thick, not like a water that will. So now we will put our. Mixture. We will switch off the gas. We don't want to cook the mixture as well as the chashni again. So I have switched off the gas and we will put all. Now we will mix it. What a fragrance! The fragrance is coming like when we go to the halwai shop and we take the Kaju Katli. So I will take this out. So now we will put the dough over here for at least 5 minutes so that it becomes soft and crumbly. So after 5 minutes we will put this in our paper and we will knead it. We can also test by taking a little bit of this. It's taking the shape that I want. So it's bind and it's cool. So now we will take this whole mixture and we will keep it over here. But first, keeping it over there, we will put the So as you can see, it's like a dough only. See? It's almost like a dough. So now we will knead it. We will knead it with this butter paper, but not with the hand, because when we knead it with the hand it will become brown and we want our Kaju Katli to be white. I wish you could smell the fragrance. As you can see, our Kaju Katli dough is ready. So now I have a new butter paper in which I will roll it. I will now we will roll it with a rolling pin. This is my fresh. To avoid the marks, we will use one other butter paper. So if your dough is becoming sticky, then you can apply ghee. So now our Kaju Katli dough is ready, and we will cover it and we will let it settle for approx to 5, not 15 minutes. We will let it settle. So I will use a scale for cutting. So I'm cutting it slant, and you can make of any shape: square, triangle, circle. I'm making a shape of diamond. The actual Kaju Katli it looks. So now I'm using a pizza cutter. The shape is very nice. So now I will do till here. So guys, now it's Kaju Katli is ready. Let's see one. Wow. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Bye.